lekwe Oga Harvest na ndị uwe ojii na collaborate with ụmụ Igbo a na-eme Oga Harvest ọhịa na-ewi n'Owerri. Ndị dọkịta na-anọ na into Oga Harvest n'Owerri. Ndị nwere hotel enwere one politician m ga-akpụ n'ụmụ ama n'ala Igbo. Somebody gara mee mistake mebe friji ahụ aka mmadụ ụkwụ mmadụ imi mmadụ private mmadụ. A politician na-ewu ewu na n'ala Igbo.
Jovika TV. This one, I don't like it. I don't like it. Can you back at me? Uno talk alone. Uno talk alone. Solution is all what to back. I fell in love exactly 1 week ago. I said MSC election. I got there for Adelaide. Okay. 1 week after I got there for I got up there. After the election, I went back. I don't go. I didn't go for anything. The solution is and Gambia can't go up and back. Always remember that. That's it. That's like the mayor.
Igbo mụrụ nze mọzọ ekele m ụnụ unu hụrụ ihe onyonyo ahụ unu kiriri ugbu a. Ihe a bụ Gọvanọ Soludo gara one of the road nọ na Anambra steeti na-ajụ ha. Unu get video mana achọrọ m i-point kana na this time ka mmadụ hụrụ bad road na-ajụ unu chọrọ ka ha rụọ ya. Unu chọrọ ka ha rụọ ya. Solution is here. Solution on road. A country that got independent in 1960 is still campaigning with road. Is still campaigning with light. In the whole of Africa, excuse me. In the whole of Africa, it is only the so-called giant of Africa doesn't have constant light, constant power supply. Yet they are giving light to Benin Republic and other neighboring countries. That is the kind of irony I have never seen how to imagine it. Nigeria gives power to other countries, yet they don't have constant power supply. They still use power supply to do campaign in this digital era. Governor Soludo making campaign with road. He has spent 4 years. He didn't build a road. Now he's about to be re-elected or campaign for a re-election. He's asking them if he will build a road. And they are clapping. While I'm making this video, I want to express my dissatisfaction from our political leaders. Sometimes I feel ashamed because I'm from Southeast or even Nigeria because of the way our political leaders behave. Sometimes it looks as if they don't know what they want. Sometimes I think, I don't know how to describe it. Is it that they are so inferior to their counterpart in northern part of the country? The recent revelation that was made by Babangida through his book, expressing the 1962 Igbo. Our leaders, Ohanes Igbo, sat down. The only thing they could demand is 10 trillion naira. They asked me, if that money comes, what would they use it for? to still share among the political leaders, because it's always the rich get richer. And when they make that appeal, did anybody listen to them? It has just been swept under the carpet. They don't take them serious. They can never take our Igbo leaders serious, because everything has to do with money, 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 money. Nobody stood the ground and said, since this revelation has been made, this is why, because we are in a battle in Biafra war. This is why we are being marginalized. This is why we are being hated. Now the revelation has been made. You never demanded for seaport. Let us have a seaport, for crying out loud. You never demanded, at least can this job be given? Let us see the governance to Southeast, because of this thing they have been hated and denied to have opportunity to rule the country. Nobody is canvassing for that. Even though some people say we need other freedom, but brother, you cannot get freedom with the way the so-called freedom fighters are doing it now. We can't go home. You are fighting for the freedom you have never gotten. So when you have the freedom, is it when we go home? Let's reason. Everybody insecurity, because you are fighting for freedom. Then when you get that freedom, your own freedom, how am I sure that I'm free? In freedom fighting that they are making, you people sit at home. If somebody mistakenly by anyhow comes out, he's a dead person. You tell me that kind of freedom? That you violated the rule. So when somebody offends, it's death penalty. They want to win that person by another person. Maybe that one they clap for him. If he as long as he called the person Sabo, they will clap for him. That's the kind of freedom. So that's why this is your freedom. I'm not part of it. I can't be associated with wickedness. At least these people could have capitalized on that revelation to request for something for developmental project, because we want to develop Ala Igbo. Please watch this video. Watch this video.
How are you all doing? I am still in Botswana, yeah, and trust me, this is gonna be my last video from Botswana. I'm leaving the country this week. By the way, this is quite interesting, knowing that this is a country that right after independence they never had even a single university in the country, and guess what? The people came together to build the country's first ever university. You know how they did it? Can you come closer? You know how they did it? Each family member brought one beast, one person, one beast. What do you mean a beast? A beast is a cow. Okay. Yeah. So one man, one cow. So each family brought a cow, and then that money was raised to build a university. That is one of the best practices of fundraising in the African continent. In fact, in the whole world, where the entire country came together, donated a cow. This cow was sold as meat to the European Union, and the money raised to build a university. And it's out of this university since 1976 to 1978 that education in Botswana has been free. So in Botswana, you get paid to go to school, just like that. In Botswana, you get paid to go to university. Oh, okay. In Botswana, you get paid even to plow. In Botswana, is also free health. Free health? Yeah. So everything is free. This just shows you the kind of governance that you have in this country. You cannot find it anywhere on the planet. Listen, I don't believe I need to find a student to talk to. Hi, excuse me. Hello, mommy. Can I speak to you for 1 minute? Are you a student of this university? Is your tuition free? I'm sorry. No, is your tuition? Can I just one? Don't worry. Second. Is your tuition free? Oh, the tuition is free. Sponsored by the government. I'm sorry. I just can't believe it. That's what I'm asking. I know you don't want to be on camera, but it's okay. But you mean you go to school for free? Do you get like monthly stipends or something? Did you? When are you receiving the first one? This month? This month you got it already? You finished it? Oh, on Friday. This week Friday. So maybe we can be friends and they give you half of your money. How much do you get paid? How much did they pay you every month?
1.5 because I'm on campus. I'm an on-campus student.
The voice, I can't hear you. Why are you so shy? Like you're on campus, so you get how much?
1.5.
1.5. And if you're off campus, you have to get more of that?
You get 1.9.
That's a lot of money. What do you mean? Like even if you live off campus?
That video you watch is Botswana. Yeah, Abunde Botswana. After independence, everybody put that cow. Yeah, every the story. Botswana don't pay for light. They don't pay for school fees. They don't pay for nothing. School free. Botswana. When people watch and I come in and look at your own cow is being turned to this thing. You know, cow. For how long must we remain to complain Then the Fulani are dealing with us. Their own cow is to destroy crops, which is true. Can we forget about Ndibo? Can't we do what Botswana did as in the southeast? As Ndibo. Task on develop Ala Igbo. Or work of free to carry that thing. In a chicken, all the big whips in Angola from Anambra, Ebony, Imo, come together, plan no everybody in your one task. Agamaro company born at top billionaires in Angola. See, every state must get two company. Only can say, okay, Rora company aro hedoto. Over a million aro. Our company glass cup. Two inch of the same. In a chicken, these big men, no and that now Ala Igbo will not be developed. Because I don't know where this is. Some of these boys not anymore here. Now I'll rather say begin whatever they're doing. This one they will come and pick job. Because with our investigation, some of them are not even happy remaining in the bush. There's nothing they can do. They say if they come out, what would they do? Some of them are ready to repent and come out. But nothing to do. They keep say they know that one day they will buy. So they don't keep doing it. If we buy them, man die go. But give some of them a job. They will see the reason to come out. It's very heartbreaking that our leaders have subjected us into what we are seeing today. It's very heartbreaking. Look at Botswana. How big is Botswana? Ala Igbo is richer, better than Botswana. If you bring all our political elite, they don't know where they go. The bank self-made money, my political money, bring them together. We initiated them. We were supposed to be paying for school fees at this age if we can put our resources together. We were supposed to be manufacturing so many things. We have seen so many inventors. We developed those our inventors. We build them up in Ala Igbo. China will be coming to beg us. They will come and learn from us. Develop our bar. But every day I know job politics. I go abroad. How many ultrasound hospitals can we in Ala Igbo? How many heart transplant hospitals can we in Ala Igbo? I like Kanu Mobile Heart Foundation about on Lagos. Ole in Ala Igbo functioning. Rochas had his free school all over Nigeria. How many in Ala Igbo? Adult two. Or where and Enugu? I don't know. The rest of Lagos, Kanu. Am I against you having the no? But I should know Marama Puama. All these Okala have about how many companies? Only three in Lagos. One or two in Aba. He didn't remember all of that Ala Igbo. But ask your quick question. Dangote, how many companies does Dangote have in Ala Igbo? None. Rather, how can I put a trailer be a bushai? Otodola, company Otodola alone on Ala Igbo. But we have our company over there. Umahane Waro. They walk. They want development. Immediately our company and Arabahi, development at Ghana that side. When we keep shouting, when it's like we get rubbish. I could have given the same insecurity. Then insecurity, actually go on a fight here. Why should I be calling people name? The government have failed us. They render code on the moment security agents. Ndị code ndị ya ihe ọbụla were tinye onye Igbo n'aka ndị Igbo ibe ka o ji aba ndị Igbo ka o ji eri ọkwụ nụ ga-atụ ilu so onye gburu nwanne ya ahụ odogwu ọkwụ nnekwa na-egbu nwanne ụnụ na-atụ achị ebidoro security ha ESN ha ebido na-egbu onwe ha DOS autopilot ebido ya abụba agụ ndị Igbo ka ha na-egbu. Give send them dynamic. Can stop on the ESN or yes, stop on the Buagmogan. How the hell Bunda Kadocha? Give the accord in the letter. We don't got China. No, that kind of a queen here. Come one year water. Indeed, walking the camera. No. Look, we have to harvest now. The UOG now collaborate with Umibo. And then Oga harvest. What you know, we know where. The doctor now. No, into Oga harvest. No worry. Ndị nwere hotel enwere one politician m ga-akpụ mama n'Ala Igbo somebody gara mee mistake mebe fridge ahụ aka mmadụ ụkwụ mmadụ imi mmadụ private mmadụ a politician na-ewu ewu n'Ala Igbo ụlọ ya na Lagos ga-cheke anụmanụ anọ jide cheke akwụkwọ ụgbọ Igbo. Ihe na-eme anyị si anyị n'aka. Agbụsị na-agba mmadụ nọ n'ime akpa ya. The day anyị ga-agwa onwe anyị the truth, that day ka anyị ga-enwere onwe ya. Ndị political leader mewe ihe mewe na ihe a agbaghị m ụbọchị ihe a ga-ebi. Ọ na-ewute m o, ọ na-ewute m, mana aga m emechi ọnụ because Chineke nyere m ọnụ m ga-ekwu ya. Ala Igbo, ekpere m bụ na ọ ga-adị mma because ihe niile wee arụ bịara abịa, ihe bịara abịa ga-ala. Otu aka ha nọ n'ọnụ. Tụsara m ihe onyonyo a ka ndị nwere ntị wee nụ. Ndị na-achọkwere na ha hapụ ka Chineke na-efe gozi unu niile. Amen.
This is Jovika Television. Jovika Television, poised to reach you with the truth.